Hi Master sa mga interested maging cleaner. Bound to Hungary. Ito applyan nyo at ito ang mga qualifications. Female, at least high school graduate, at least 2 years experience in housekeeping for apartments, knowledge in using different kind of housekeeping tools, materials and equipment, knowledge of proper sanitation practices, minimum height of 160 centimeters. English communication skills. Sa mga interesado, mag-email lang kayo dito, peridot4hungary@gmail.com. Only qualified applicants will be entertained. At dito, for manpower pooling only. No fees in any form and or purpose will be collected from the applicants. Beware of illegal recruiters and human traffickers. Social media accounts such as Viber, WhatsApp, Facebook Messenger are not used to recruit. Peridot does not do any transactions, deals, or accept any payments outside its office. Ito ang kanilang Facebook page, meron tong 512 followers. Marami pa silang hiring, gaya nito, bus driver. We are open for walk-in applicants tomorrow, August 28 to 30, from 9 a.m. to 2 p.m. At ito ang kanilang address, Unit A and B, Dian Street, Corner Boyle Street, Barangay Palanan, Makati City. At kapag nag-scroll down pa kayo, meron pa silang picker, chef, assistant waiter, housekeeper, assistant cook, kitchen assistant. Qualifications for picker. Daming nagtatanong sa akin nito. Male, high school graduate, at least 1 year experience in warehouse, good manual dexterity, willing to work in cold storage warehouse, minimum height 160 centimeters, and good in English communication skills. Disclaimer, Masters, hindi ako part ng company, so pag may mga tanong kayo, tanungin nyo ang Peridot. Ito ang kanilang cellphone number, screenshot nyo na lang. And sa mga may balak magpasa ng resume, yan ang kanilang email, peridot4hungary@gmail.com. At ilalagay nyo ang subject position, kung anong gusto nyo applyan na position, cleaner, picker, or kahit na ano pa. And inuulit ko, mag-ingat kayo sa mga illegal recruiter. No fees in any form and or purpose will be collected from the applicants. So be warned. And sa lahat ng mag-a-apply, good luck sa inyong lahat. And sabi nga ni Master Bay, dream big, sky's the limit.